Hello, my name is Alan Shoaib. I'm going to talk about Conquer Math word problems. So many of you will ask me why you chose that. Because I know how important it is to master the skill of solving word problems. I have seen how students suffer and find math word problems tricky, and it frustrates them when they try to solve it and they come with no solution, or they don't know the steps how to solve it, why, or what math fact to use. But I'll tell you this, students must master this skill, must know how to solve word problems. Um, well, I'm going to include some simple steps in how to solve it, but I know it's not going to work for all students because each student, whatever worked for one student, may not work for another. So I'm going to include several strategies that will help us as educators and teachers to help our students and support them to find the strategies that will work for them according to their needs and interests and level and everything. So let's start. First, the checklist or the simple way is to and read the problem. Read it several times. Try to understand the words. Then make a model. What is going on? What's happening in this? Assign a variable. Look, what you're looking for. If you know the purpose of your math word problem, it's going to be easier for you to solve it. Now, your next step is set up an equation like x plus 3 equals 7. You need to find that x. It's easier for the student to look for one thing. Now, find the math fact that you need to use. Is it addition, subtraction, division, multiplication? Solve it. Voila, you got the answer. But I'm sure it's not that easy for many students. So let's see some effective strategies they can use. First, make it a daily thing. Don't just do it every now and then. No, practice it every single day. The way we practice or let our student practice their numbers at the beginning of the year, how to count to 10. It's going to be the most hard thing for them to count. Then they count to 50, 100, then 1,000. And it's the same thing. You want your students to get comfortable with this process. Let them practice it daily, even with simple word problems. And please, before I go, keep posters, keep hints and tips around the classroom. So help them reminders for what they need to do and what to look for. Give them several routines. Don't give one routine for them. We discussed the first one. There's a second one. Plan, solve, and check. First, planning. Know what you're looking for and how you're going to solve it and what do you need to find it out. You have everything. Now it's time to solve it. How am I going to solve it? What do I need to do? And check your answer. Is it logic? Is it reasonable? Do you think this is the right one? And I got another strategy. Use different routines that will lead to the same solution, but it's going to match your students. Now try to visualize, model. Students love to have hand-on activities or drawing. So if you are adding, like in this example, 36 minus 8, let them draw 36 dots and take away 8. This will help them. Oh, this is what I'm doing. I'm taking away this. I'm doing this. This will help them visualize what's going on. And even if you have more complicated one, tell them, imagine you're going to a supermarket. You got this and this and this. How much is the rest? This will help them connect to real world life and to their own lives and knowledge. And that's one, and I love this strategies. Just remove the numbers because students worry about the numbers and how to solve it and try to connect the numbers and they actually distract about what's going on, the math going on. So please try to use these. And there's extra strategies that I put it right here in my reference. I hope that you check it out. Thank you so much.